I once met a man who always told the truth on Wednesdays and Thursdays and always lied on Mondays. On the other days of the week, he sometimes lied and sometimes told the truth. On 6 consecutive days, I asked him what his name was, and he gave the following answers in this order: Henry Jekyll, I'm just going to abbreviate that, Henry, H for Henry, Edward Hyde, Edward Hyde, um, Henry Jekyll, Edward Hyde, Bartholomew Hampton III, alright, Edward Hyde. Alright, so there's our 6 names. I've just abbreviated them to make them a little easier to see. And the question is, what was his real name? Alright, well, this one, okay, we have 7 days in the week. Alright, we know he always tells the truth on Wednesdays and Thursdays. He always lies on Mondays. And we have his names on 6 consecutive days, but we don't know which days these are. We don't know which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We don't know at all what days of the weeks they are. But the key to this problem is to notice that Wednesdays and Thursdays, those are consecutive days. Alright, and if you look at this, there are no, he always tells the truth on these 2 consecutive days, so you would expect the same answer. And so you would expect 2 of these names to be the same, and then that would be your Wednesday and Thursday, right? But we don't have any consecutive names, okay? We don't have any consecutive names that are the same. So, we've only got 6 days here, so that means that the 7th day, alright, must be either Edward, in order to match the day before. That would give us 2 consecutive days in a row where he told the truth. Or it would be Henry, and then those 2 would be the consecutive days in a row where he was telling the truth. Okay? So we can narrow it down to 2 options. Alright? He's either Edward or Henry. Okay? So that basically eliminates Bartholomew, right? He's not Bartholomew. Alright, so we got 2 options. Let's actually, I'm going to draw a little tree. So maybe instead of that little blank, what I'll do is just draw a couple branches of a tree. Okay, so he either has to be Edward or he has to be Henry. Okay. Alright, so if he's Edward, then this is Wednesday and this is Thursday. Right? Which would mean that this is Friday, and this is Saturday, and this is Sunday, and this is Monday, and this is Tuesday. Okay. So, now if he's Henry, then this would have to be Wednesday, and this would have to be Thursday. Okay, because those are the 2 consecutive days he tells the truth. So then we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay? Now, the other piece of information that we know is that he always lies on Monday. Okay? So in this case, if he's Edward and he lies on Monday, then he can't be Edward. Okay? But he says he's Edward. So this is not. He's not Edward. Okay? This is not the case, because he says if he's Edward, then he would say Edward, Edward on Wednesday and Thursday, and he would lie on Monday, but then he would say something other than Edward. Okay? So let's look at this other case. This one probably is the correct answer, but let's just analyze it and make sure. Okay, so if he's Henry, then he says Henry on Wednesday and Thursday, because he always tells the truth. And on Monday, here's Monday again, he lies. Okay, so you can see on that day, he said Bartholomew, which is a lie, and so this one satisfies all the criteria. So his name is Henry Jekyll. Alright, so there's your answer.